Hello all, welcome back to another video. And yes, we've got the Ford out here with the trailer on, and we've also got a digger here as well. So you might be thinking, why have we got a digger? Well, the main reason is because we've been cleaning up the ditches, what I did yesterday. Sorry I didn't get that on film, I might be able to get a bit of footage at some point. We've still got to do a bit to do, but here we're moving this is on builders sort of soil and bricks and concrete and whatever. So all that's going to be going into the trailer, and then I'm going to be tipping it in that sort of pond bit there, which is no longer needed. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm not sure if you'll find it interesting or not, but I might as well film it. So let's crack on. It's a VOLVO digger. Don't know what type it is. A ECR28, so that's a 3-tonner. It should be. Right, the camera says we're going, and the phone does. So that's a good one. Right, we're doing a bit of digger work. I did my intro yesterday, but then I didn't film anything for some reason yesterday. I think I forgot or something. So it's the next day now. I think the sun is meant to come out. So we're moving some earth here into the Ford and the trailer here. So I'll have a go doing that. Put the revs up a bit. This is a 3-ton VOLVO digger. Fairly nice soil. We'll come across here, and then we'll load it up in here as well. You might be able to see me tip the digger over. No, we should be alright. In the past, we have tipped some diggers over. If you can hear me, I'm not sure if you can, but hopefully you can. So yeah, just trying to load it up. Try not to overfill the trailer, what I didn't do earlier. And the back tyres look like they're about to blow up. At least this has got a cab, because it's been raining a fair few days, and I would have probably got soaked. So I haven't got to wear waterproofs, luckily. With someone else on the tractor and trailer, to be honest, and I can push this up with the sort of scraper, and then I won't have to keep getting out and in of diggers or whatever, but never mind. I'll also ask you guys some Q&A questions, which I asked on my Instagram. I think I had a fair few come to me. I'm going to answer at some point today, if I don't forget. Don't want too much weight on it. I'll put one over here, really. I better put some loads on the front. What's that? Go back a bit. Let's quickly load this one up here. There's quite a lot of junk in here as well, because the builders put it here, all the soil, which was fine. But it's not the nicest soil. We're sort of spreading it around the field. There's a few stones in it, and I don't really want that to get stuck in the topper. So the big stones, I'm going to get the Eiffel Williams trailer, put it on the back of the truck, and then tip all the stones in there, whatever rubbish. Then we can sort that out another time. Oh, there's a stone in there, well, that'll be alright now. If you know what I mean. And Digger's on hire for a week, I think Dad said. So I have cleared out some ditches as well. That's another thing I've done just there. And yeah. Because you're allowed to clear ditches out, but not rivers or whatever. Can't touch them. I mean, there were some branches in it, but I didn't touch it, of course. I sort of think I might as well move the branches so the water flows. But there you go. So we've got a scrape here on the front. I'm just going to push all the soil forward, which I sort of scraped into myself. Found a lot of Coke bottles. That's another thing I found. Coca-Cola bottles, squash bottles. Oh, a bit higher, Henry. That'll do. Bit of one at the front. Look alright at the moment. But let's say I had someone on the tractor and trailer, they can sort of push backwards, but as I have to go back myself, this is handy. But never mind, we will crack on. I can't actually think of things to say now. I'm me talking rubbish, which you guys probably find boring. Oh yeah, one thing I can announce that I've booked my test and it's coming up in July, luckily, so just in time for harvest really. And that's a critical work emergency sort of test I got. Luckily, the DVLA did or whatever. So that's me happy. I hope you're all keeping well, keeping busy on the farm or whatever. I might just put some music on now because, yeah. Right, I'll put the music on. Enjoy. It'll probably be non-copyright or whatever. But that has to do. I'll put you on the trailer at some point and get some different angles. 7 minutes. Oh my goodness. Right. 7 minutes of me talking rubbish. And now I'll let you have some different GoPro shots. Right, cheers, I'll see you in a minute.
And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
asked me some questions. So, what made you start making YouTube videos, and what do you like most about it? From Junior Grassman. I think what made me probably start making videos was watching people. George Saunders, I was a big fan of his, and I like uploading it and seeing which gets the most views, if you know what I mean, like what people like more and that. I just find it quite interesting, and I like talking to cameras, obviously. I find it's quite fun. I love doing all the editing as well, so that's that. What made you... yeah, I think I've answered that question. And what do I like about it most? Probably seeing your guys' comments in the comment section, probably. Yeah. I have some other questions. Nick's farm, how many hours is on the Ford 4000? Well, I'll go and find out in a minute. I'll let you know in the title bit in a minute. Good question. Johnny458. What would you recommend for people starting YouTube? My main recommendation for people starting YouTube is to keep uploading. Don't suddenly stop. I sometimes do it. Don't suddenly stop in that. Just keep on going, I think, and try and film interesting things, if that makes sense. And yeah, I mean, you start off small. I started off small for ages, and then you slowly get more people seeing it. So just keep uploading and enjoy it. Right guys, thanks for watching the video. Please make sure you hit the like button and comment what you think of the video, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Cheers guys.